first one. I don't think he's that big, guys. Little guy. Good colors on him. He's healthy. Looks like he has been caught before. You know the drill, guys. Got to get me a little picture. Heck yeah, guys. First one of the day. Not a big one. He bit it good though. That's the best bass of the day so far. Heck yeah. Healthy fish. Heck yeah, guys. Get a little picture on the spinnerbait. Just when I thought they weren't going to hit that one anymore. Sweet. Heck yeah. See you, buddy. That was on the new rod too, so yeah, this rod feels really good. Thanks, Jim. Appreciate you. Heck yeah, guys. His head's bigger than his body. He should be a bigger fish than that. I'll weigh him real quick too. Jeez. Let's see what he weighs. 1.4. He ain't even 2 pounds, guys. Not even a 2-pounder.